Well, guys, you might want to know what's happening with the screen. It's almost my birthday! Yay! Now, I wish I had special effects to make a crowd. Now, happy birthday to me. I'm going to be recording videos all day, so get ready for all those awesome videos that you'll love. So, yeah. Now, I'm going to be doing FNAF World, Five Nights at Candy's, reaction videos, whole hours of fun. Now, until I get interrupted once again like the video, then, yeah, I will not stop recording. I don't care if it takes 3 hours or 4 hours. I'm going to be recording videos all day. Woohoo! Happy early birthday to me! Guys, in the comments, write the happy birthday song and write happy birthday to me. I love all my songbirds, even though I only have 5 of them at the moment. So, yeah, I love you all. See you later. Sorry, I have a drink. My sister gave it to me. Anyway, I love you, songbirds. Bye. I love you. Happy birthday to me.